We are here at Sun City in Rustenburg, Northwest Province, hosting a workshop wherein we are empowering SMMEs on IP and commercialization. We are working as the Technology Innovation Agency in partnership with the Swiss IP project and the National Intellectual Property Management Office, called NIPMO in short. The real reason really for us is how TIA and our partners would like to empower our SMMEs to appreciate and understand how IP works, how they can apply it, and also to strengthen their ability to run their businesses. Technology entrepreneurs are quite a unique one. They have unique challenges, and we are here to empower them using our different experts from universities, incubators, and we are hosting the event here in Northwest, Sun City, and we'll be doing other regions. We did the Eastern Cape last year, we did Gauteng last year, and we will continue to do this project where we invite SMMEs and entrepreneurs to build their ability and capacity around intellectual property and commercialization.
I'm the founder of Toto Distillery, where we produce our products based on indigenous knowledge systems. Today I'm attending the IP Commercialization Workshop hosted by NIPMO, Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, and also TIA in collaboration with the Swiss Embassy. What I intend to take home from today is obviously more knowledge on IP and commercialization, and personally as a business owner, how do I move from where I'm currently at and scaling up as a business.
Standing here is H.E. Mapai Kivan Mabuko, the founder of Camilla Innovation, a biotechnology startup that focuses on peptide therapies to combat one of the world health crisis, which is antimicrobial resistant. We are here at Northwest Sun City Convention Center to attend the Intellectual Property and Commercialization Workshop hosted by TIA NIPMO with partnership with the Swiss Embassy. Now, what I'm hoping to gain from this fantastic workshop is how intellectual property can be applied in the innovation that exists in the higher education level. And furthermore, I can say my key intake, we had wonderful representatives from the Northwest University that are here to give us knowledge, and furthermore I cannot wait what are the opportunities that stand out for South African entrepreneurs so that they can be able to take their product to the global stage. Thank you very much.
It's such a privilege to be part of this distinguished crowd this morning and talking about intellectual property and how important it is to protect your ideas and to protect the innovation that people come up with. Obviously then when it comes to brand communication, as well as to protect your brand and to make sure that your brand is not duplicated in the market. So that's what we are here for, is just to learn as well from all the other participants and the attendees, and then also just to depart some important knowledge regarding brand and brand communication and how to utilize that in making your business more successful and sustainable.
I am here to learn about intellectual property. I believe it will help both my students in my business and also help the beneficiaries of the Maluti Regional Innovation Networking Platform. I'm excited to meet new people, meet new fellow small business owners, and also meet potential partners that we can partner with as both a platform and also in our business. At Minibos, what we do is we teach entrepreneurship to children between the ages of 6 to 18. And so it's important to learn about intellectual property and how they can also protect their ideas. So I'm not just here for the platform, but also for the benefit of our students as well. So I'm excited to learn, and I'm excited to partner and to collaborate with other fellow SMEs and also the organizations that are here. Thank you.